This banana cake is a must try if you are a banana cake lover. This is one recipe you do not want to miss out on because it is simple, very delicious, and not overly sweet, much as bananas are sweet. Yes. So we begin with 6 ripe bananas. They should be overripe. We're going to mash those bananas. And then I have 2 eggs right there. And then I have my vanilla, salt, sugar, vegetable oil. Use oil that does not have a strong scent. The milk should be at room temperature. Right there, I have my baking powder and baking soda. I did put it all together. Yes. So I'm going to sieve my flour 3 times. I've already lined my baking tin. So sieve the flour 3 times to trap in air. So we mash the bananas using the back of a fork. Don't be tempted to use a blender because once you blend, it's going to turn into juice and it will change the consistency of the cake, which you don't want. So use a fork. There I'm adding my sugar and then the oil together, and then I'm going to whisk all together. So next step, I'll be adding in my eggs one at a time. You do it gradually and then mix together. You want everything to blend. So right there, I'm going to be adding my vanilla flavor. I'm using Pradeep. You can use French vanilla. It tastes very nice with French vanilla. I'm going to be adding my vanilla to my milk. The milk is at room temperature. It shouldn't be cold milk. And then I'm also going to be adding my salt, half a teaspoon. I'm using a quarter, that is why I added 2. So put in the flour mixture so you don't forget. You add your milk vanilla mixture into the egg sugar oil mixture and then beat together so that they blend well. So right there we are done with the blending, and then we are going to be adding in our mashed bananas. So we are not going to use the machine anymore. We are going to mix manually. So that means we are using a wooden spoon, or if you have a metallic spoon, use that. So over a sieve, add your flour mixture into the rest of the mixture. Do it over a sieve because you want to trap in air. Gently fold in, and then your butter mixture will be ready, and then put in your pan. Remember, the oven must have been preheated first at 180 degrees. When putting the cake batter into the cake pan, make sure you don't fill the pan. Make it halfway the pan, yes. And I usually don't even do halfway. I just do a little bit of it. So that it bakes evenly. And then put in the preheated oven. Right there, my banana cake is ready. I left it to cool for 10 minutes, so then I can remove it. And that is how we make banana cake. Try it out and give me feedback. Subscribe for more content. If you're a cake lover, you love baking, or you're doing it for business, this channel is the right channel for you. I know the struggles, so I am here to help you all out. Enjoy with your family. Hit the notification bell so that you know which recipe has been put up next. You don't want to miss out on great recipes. So do subscribe turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up new recipes. Thank you for watching.